Thanks for staying tuned to Beyond. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the developments from Bangladesh. The BNP is headed for a landmark victory, tracking all that on the show today. First up, as always, the headlines. BNP led by Tariq Rahman heads for thumping win in Bangladesh's first post-2024 uprising elections. Early TV projections show BNP securing well above 150-seat majority threshold. Party declares victory. Donald Trump warns that Iran will face very traumatic consequences if it fails to reach a deal on its nuclear program. Says he hopes an agreement can be achieved within a month's time. Donald Trump's immigration point man, Tom Homan, announces the end of an aggressive federal enforcement operation in Minnesota that sparked widespread protests and national outrage after 2 U.S. citizens were killed. Britain says Ukraine's Western allies pledge about $35 billion in military aid for 2026, including $13.6 billion from Germany, emphasizes continued support for Ukraine and increased pressure on Russia. Lebanon's health ministry says an Israeli strike in southern Lebanon kills one person, while Israel says it targeted and killed a Hezbollah member. Attack comes despite a truce from November 2024. Venezuelan lawmakers delay key amnesty bill aimed at stopping use of courts against political dissent, while thousands of opposition supporters gathered in Caracas to demand release of remaining political prisoners. CIA expands a push to recruit spies, releasing a new Chinese language video that seeks to target disaffected military officers, a move likely to further infuriate Beijing. North Korea warns of terrible response if another South Korean drone enters its territory after Seoul launches probe into recent incident. Kim Yo-jong calls such actions violations of North Korea's sovereignty. US and Taiwan finalize a major trade agreement cutting US tariffs on Taiwanese imports to 15%. The deal also commits Taiwan to boost purchases of American energy, aircraft and industrial goods, strengthening economic and supply chain ties.